Napansin mo ba, dito sa Japan na kahit maliit na tattoo lang, parang napaka-big deal na agad. Pero bakit? Takot ba talaga sila? Sa totoo lang, hindi naman basta sila takot. May malalim itong history.
Japanese tattoos, known as irizumi, have a rich history that dates back centuries. Originally used as a form of punishment, they later transformed into an art form with deep cultural significance. Each tattoo tells a story.
Una, sa Japan, ang tattoo o irizumi ay matagal nang connected sa mga yakuza.
Today, irizumi is admired as a symbol of courage, individuality, and respect for tradition.
Dati, ang mga member nito may full body tattoos. Dragon, koi fish, sobrang detailed.
Dragons represent strength, koi fish symbolize perseverance, and cherry blossoms reflect the fleeting beauty of life.
Kaya hanggang ngayon, kapag may tattoo ka, lalo na sa older generation, ang unang pumapasok sa isip nila, baka delikado. Pangalawa, mas malalim pa. Noong sinaunang panahon, ginagamit ang tattoo bilang parusa sa kriminal. Nilalagyan sila ng marka sa katawan para makilala sila sa buong society.
They didn't hide their crimes. They carved them into skin. Long before movies glamorized the Yakuza, Japanese authorities banned criminals from normal society.
Kaya ang dating ng tattoo ay hindi art. Kung hindi, kahihiyan. Pangatlo, hanggang ngayon, may epekto pa rin. Mapapansin mo, sa mga onsen, gym, at swimming pool, may mga sign na no tattoo. Hindi dahil bawal ha, pero para hindi maging uncomfortable yung ibang tao.
In Japan, many gyms and pools still ban tattoos because they've long been linked to the Yakuza.
Pero good news, ngayon, may ibang lugar na pwede na. Basta i-cover mo lang.
If staff see your tattoo, they'll usually ask you politely to cover it. Locals with tattoos use waterproof patches, long sleeves, or even bandages to hide them, just to enjoy a swim or a workout.
At ang panghuli, may tinatawag tayong generation gap. Yung mga matatanda, medyo conservative pa rin. Pero yung younger Japanese, mas open na sila. Sa Tokyo at Osaka, makikita mo, tattoo is becoming more acceptable as fashion.
Younger Japanese and tourist spots are becoming more relaxed about tattoos. Would you hide your tattoo just to fit in, or wear it proudly, even if it means getting banned?
Kaya kung may tattoo ka at napansin mong medyo iba ang tingin ng iba sa'yo, hindi ka nila hinuhusgahan. Hindi lang talaga nila nakasanayan. Sabi nga nila, not everything you see is fear. Sometimes, it's just history speaking. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na to, share mo to para mas maintindihan nating lahat ang culture ng Japan. Hindi lang sa surface, kundi pati sa pinanggalingan nito. This is Ayumi J, sharing insights and stories. Let's explore more about Japan together.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is